All right, so I wanted to just show you how to do this just in case, so you could have it for the future. Because it looks like the pictures are up there. They're just not scaled properly, which the slider you guys use is pretty popular, but it's also sort of outdated in a lot of ways, to make it more kind of user friendly. It's got a lot of things you can manipulate, which is great, but they've made them a little more user friendly. So I'm going to share my screen with you and go back into your page. I'm sorry, I'm moving. So I've got movers here. So I'm trying to do the side. So if you hear noise in the background, that's why. Here, wait, let me find the page. There it is. Okay. Okay, now let me share my screen. All right, so if you, I need this thing to move. Okay. Yeah, good. When you go in here to put the picture, I think you went in here to put the picture. I assume it was you. If not, I guess I could back out of this just so you could see where to go, but it's all the way down. It's actually not slides. It's down here, but I can't get to it from the screen, but it's all the way down here, where that is. So, you're just going to go into slides and you'll see all of your different slides. The reason this says 2, 3, 4, 5 instead of 1 is because I had already done one. I just want to show you how to do it. You have this picture. Let's see, what slide is that? Number 3. You have the picture there. But if you go, like I said, I undid the picture. I undid what I did so I could show you what I did. But if you see when you go to the page, the pictures are cut off. So you just to make sure that they're centered, that picture. So let me see, it's the other one cut off too. There was one more after this. That may be how you want that one. That one's just the quality is not good on that image. The quality is better on this one. But I might be able to just do it from here. Let's see. Just in case you're not the one who did this, I'll go ahead and just show you. You're going to go in to add a slide. And I'm just going to move that out of the way so that I can get this full screen here and go into add a layer, add an image. It's going to put a little image box there. Right click on that, go to edit, go to image, because that's what you're going to actually add. Grab the picture. If you hadn't already uploaded it, go ahead and upload it, but it's in there. And then it just sort of pops it in the middle there, which is not ideal. Let me get that out of the way. And then you're going to go to size and position. And you're still on this layer. You can see this layer is highlighted because it still has the drag little sections there, so you can drag it. It's not a good idea to drag it, but go ahead and click alignment and that'll make it centered. Go ahead. It already has this here, which is good because if you move these around, you see it makes them cut off. So that's fine. And then you want to go to scene. And if I hit save, I made that I'm going to make it. I'm going to make this the first slide just so you can see it when I pop out of it. If I hit save there, and then I go to your site. Oh my goodness, my dog. I hope you can't hear my dog screaming now. So I'm going to refresh this page and you should be able to see the, oops, I forgot one more thing. Sorry. We left the sides are off of here. Forgot about that part. We want to do cover and then save. And I'll go back here. And now your picture is nice and centered. So I'll just move this back to where you have the other one. I'll just go ahead and replace the other one with this one. I think it was slide 3. And we can just delete this one, slide 2. I'll go ahead and delete. But that's how you add the slides. You just go in to add a slide. When you hover over that, you could add a slide. You don't have to worry about all the rest of this, just to keep it as simple as possible. Add a slide. And then to add a layer, what they're saying is the text, something like this text box is a layer. So if you wanted to write text or something or put something else on there, a lot of other things you can do with that. And like I said, this is good. It's a very popular version that is used a lot. But there are ones that, and I couldn't think of one off the top of my head right now. There are ones that are a little easier for you to understand without all these sort of technical terms a lot of this has. It's got sort of some of these phrases or things that you might not recognize or know what they mean if you don't do web design. So one of the best parts about WordPress is that you don't have to know how to do web design to be able to make your site. And so it kind of sucks that they have all that stuff on there. That's going to be complicated. So there's that picture. And then you have one more that was a little, I think this one is the way you want it. I think that one's fine. So everything is saved now. It should be, let me make sure, let me go back in. I'm going to hit save so that that one is back to being number 2. And we start over with the main one. And then it should pop to that one. All right. So hopefully that helps. If you need any more help, let me know. All right. Thanks. Bye. And I hope you guys are doing good. We're literally, the movers are literally here moving stuff. There's nothing. Space split stuff everywhere. And I got one chair and I had to work. And I was like, while I'm working, let me go ahead and just, and that's my niece. Because of course I can't just do a video. But I hope you guys are good and everything. And we are moving on. We've been out here about a week. So, all right, I'll talk to you later. Hopefully that helps. Let me know if you need anything else. All right, bye.